AC factory. Today we are going to see an essay on plastic waste. So let's begin. Plastic is a never-ending venom poisoning our society. K.L. Paul. Today, plastic has become a very common part of our daily life. From tiny toys to huge machineries, involvement of plastic can be seen everywhere. As plastic is lightweight, long-lasting and financially affordable, it is frequently used for carrying and packaging purposes. Nowadays, every e-commerce delivery includes polythene. Many food delivery services use polythene. The rate with which plastic is being produced in the earth is a matter of concern. Plastic is made up of a polymer which in turn is composition of many non-biodegradable chemical substances. Non-biodegradable substances have the property of not getting mixed with the soil when they are decomposed, and thus they pollute the soil. Plastic does not get finished properly even if it is burned. There are many other dark sides of using plastic. Many times this plastic waste is flushed in water bodies which pollutes water and also harms the organism residing in those water bodies. Recently, a sperm whale was found dead in South Spain with nearly 65 pounds of plastic waste inside it, and it died due to consumption of all that plastic. This is how our activities are creating a threat for other creatures. Today, plastic has become omnipresent. From Arctic to Antarctic, from mountains peak to sea's depth, the presence of plastic is there. It is very comfortable to use plastic, but its chemical nature harms both human and environment. The microplastic substances in it lead to many serious diseases like cardiovascular diseases, cancer, oxidative stress, etc. We will never be able to get rid of this plastic if we continue to produce it with the same rate. And in just next 31 years, there will be more plastic than fish in the ocean. Our Mother Earth will get converted into a huge dustbin full of this plastic filth. Time has come to wake up and protect our planet from this emerging danger. Avoid plastic in every possible sphere of life. Always carry an eco-friendly reusable plastic bag whenever you step out to market. Wooden and metal products must be preferred over plastic. Production sector must focus on ways to recycle plastic. Always carry a reusable bottle in your bag and avoid purchasing it from any other place, as these bottles are one of greatest contributor to plastic waste. Use of clay and ceramic cutlery must be promoted. Government of India on 5 June 2018 announced to eliminate single-use plastic in race to beat plastic pollution by 2022. Few initiatives like reusables in government offices, fishing for plastic waste from water bodies, fine on plastic already in action. More research must be done on the ways to recycle plastic at lower cost. More awareness program must be launched to spread awareness against plastic. It is not only the responsibility of government to make country plastic free nation, but citizens are also equally responsible. Avoid plastic in every corner of life. Don't be drastic. Say no to plastic. Thank you. So guys, please like, comment and subscribe our channel. And if you find any doubt or any mistake in this essay and you want it to be clarified, you can go in comment section and mention